Wow, folks, look what we walked up on. Raise the sails with a bronze already at 38, and there's a silver at 43. And also what's nice about this is we have free play. I don't know what's not nice, but it's at the minimum bet, you know. Or you walk up on a 38. I mean, aren't you're kind of wanting it to be the max bet, right? I mean, I don't know. I'm not picky about this because a play is a play, and we can make money at this, especially with our free play. So I don't know if I should. Okay, I have promo amount $30. You guys see it there. So I don't have to count the spins because I want to count 50 spins. They might not even take that long. I might have put in more free play than we even need. Oh, some values there. I don't know what someone was doing here, but they got frustrated and left. They didn't finish the play. And it must have been very recent because, wow. These machines get checked often in Las Vegas, so we're kind of lucky here with our timing. You know what? I think speed 3 is the best speed for this game. We have not collected really anything. 39, you guys see it, 39, and a gold. 40. Whoa, 41. We got $9 left. This goes fast. Hey, we collected something. We collected a pink. Oh, we're on a collect run. Let's collect a doubloon now. A doubloon. Any doubloon. We'll take silver for sure. Or gold. Oh, silver. Hi-ho, silver. It's at 44. We've got 10 spins left. We're going to have to reload some free play. Unless... Whoa, that... Okay. That was a tease. So is the major. All right, we got 2 spins left. You know, I thought 50 spins might be enough to have something happen, and it wasn't. Nice thing is we got more free play. I'm just going to dump the rest in. I don't know what else to do. You know, I'm going to put in 30 more because I like increments of the bet amount. So $60 in free play and $60 cash. You should be able to do something with that, right? Bounce in there. 43 now. We need to raise the sails. Oh, collect some stuff. Gold for 35. Collected nothing. Come on, silver. 45. Maybe I can get this in the shot here so you guys can see these numbers. Wow. Yeah. Would have gladly accepted that minor. 9 more spins, make it 6. Money's going fast here. Okay. And that's it. Oh, look at that. Yes! That was the end of our free play exactly. That is crazy. I have $10 more in free play, but we didn't need it because we got it an exactly 100 spins. It took us 100 spins. We're already up $32. Let's see what else we can win here, folks. All right. 44 free spins. Thank you very much. Let's collect. Let's add those extra theoretical collects. Ah. Maybe they're not theoretical after all. Boy, did this work out. Parrots all the way! Yeah! $18. That one little wild at the end really made a difference. Wow. I like it. Keep it coming. That was very exciting. Alright, collects. Keep those coming too. Let's go. Come on, shiver our timbers. Parrots. Boy, those parrots can pay. Ah, come on. Raise the sails. Collect it. Yes. That's a good amount of money right there at this bet level. It's over 20 times the bet. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, ahoy! Oh, some pink. Go it. Hit it. Anything. Oh, they just rolled by. Well, we'll take another $7. That's... Wow, we're getting closer to a 100x bonus here. We got a lot of spins left. Yeah. Ahoy, matey. Parrots all the way! I got excited for my parrots. Okay, collect time. Had to wake it up a little. Getting closer. Closer to 100x. Oh, those parrots. A lot of parrots. Just needed one up front and collected it. That puts us over 100x. Bonus. Already happy with this result. Because we are on track. We're at 150 right there. So $10 more and we'll have made $100 on this. Do it! Please collect some more stuff. Just a little bit more. Yep. That's pretty much gonna do it. Yeah. Thank you. Let's collect some parrots. Come on. I'll just go collect anything. Oh, we got 4 more spins. Let's... Ahoy! Shivering! It's shivering the timbers. Oh my god! Wow! $54 hit? Whoa! Ah! Oh my gosh! I think that's the most parrots I've ever seen. That was a 100x hit on. It was a 90x hit, technically. 90 times our bet in parrots. Oh my gosh! Wow! That was outstanding. A 200x bonus that became. We were already up money. Wow, what a great result. Ringing ding that. Wow. We will not keep chasing silver. We're going to cash out. Wow. That is incredible, folks. We put in $60 free play. It was exactly 100 spins. And we got the bonus. And it paid 200x. And we are going to cash out from $60 cash in, plus the free play. $152 winner at 60 cents. So, who said 60 cent, less than a sub-dollar bets can't be exciting? I mean, you can make money at these lower bets. A play is a play. The numbers totally made sense to do it. And we had free play. Capitalize on it. We're so happy with this result. Guys, keep your eyes out, guys and gals, for Raise the Sails. Best of luck, folks. Pick 'em good.